Many people have small nostrils and struggle with breathing, feeling like they're fighting for air with every deep breath. To solve this problem, the nasal dilator was created. Simply place it on your nose, and your nostrils instantly expand, making breathing much easier. It's easy to use. Just stick the magnetic strips on both sides of your nose and place the elastic strip on top. Your nasal passages open up, allowing more air to flow in, making you feel like a breathing freedom champion. Plus, it's not just for people with small nostrils, it's also great for use during exercise. When worn, it helps you breathe more easily, so you won't be gasping for air like a tired old cow. Your athletic performance gets a nice boost. It's like a secret weapon for athletes.